I believe fashion design is a language in itself that we use to express our personalities. My name is Winnie Tran and I'm originally from Calgary, Alberta, studying at Lasalle College, Vancouver. I wanted to study fashion design to understand the technicalities that come with it, as well as the emotional meaning behind clothing. There was a lot of meaning behind what I wanted to convey, and at this point I believe that the judges also saw what I wanted to show through my collection. To me, a way to communicate with my audience. My collection's name is called Testament, and what it stands for is the beauty throughout decay and how time changes all. As a designer, I'm very much influenced by what's around me. What actually influenced this collection was some dried petals I had from a previous project, and I thought through that kind of decay of the natural life force of that flower, I can make something out of it. Pretty much everything I've learned at Lasalle College, Vancouver tied itself into what my collection stands for, from pattern drafting, concept development, and material testing too. I'm using rust to make really interesting patterns on my fabrics, and I wouldn't have learned that if I wasn't part of that material making class. I love my dog. My favorite pastime is kind of looking at the sky, and I also have a really big sweet tooth. I love desserts.